Hello, and welcome to my channel, where I discuss all things related to animals. There are many enormous flying birds in the globe, but I'm going to list the 9 largest ones today. Top 9 largest flying birds by wingspan. The biggest flying birds by wingspan are 9. Marabou stork. These birds have wingspans up to 13 feet. Number 8. Northern royal albatross. It has a wingspan of 10 feet. Number 7. Andean condor. Has 11 feet wingspan. Number 6. Antipodean albatross. It has an 11-foot wingspan. Number 5. Tristan albatross. It has 11-foot wingspan which helps it forage over a lot of territories. Number 4. Dalmatian pelican. This bird that has a 12-foot wingspan is the largest member of the pelican family. Number 3. Southern royal albatross. It has a wingspan of 12 feet, making it one of the largest flying birds by wingspan. Number 2. Great white pelican. The bird has a massive 12-foot wingspan. Number 1. Wandering albatross. Is the number 1 largest flying bird by wingspan. It has a 12.1 feet wingspan. And there you have it. My list of the top 9 largest flying birds in the world, measured in terms of wingspan. Your attention is appreciated. If you like this video, you should check out some of my other animal-related uploads.